Welcome to Aptitude for Placements, and my name is Ranjit. I have conducted this aptitude training program at various engineering colleges all over India, and every year thousands of students get placed by attending this aptitude training program. Here you will find all the questions that are commonly encountered in most of the aptitude tests. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of these tests. So just familiarize yourself with all these questions and you will have a clear advantage when you attempt your actual placement test. Let's start. Let us start with the topic mixtures and allegations. Now there's a formula called the mixtures and allegations formula. Now we look at some typical questions which can be done using the mixtures and allegations formula. Now this is the formula. So a typical question will be like this. That is, you have something that is very cheap or very economical. It costs very less. And you have something that is very expensive. Now this cheap thing and this expensive thing, they are to be mixed in some ratio so that you will get a mean price or mixture price. So this mean price will be given and you will be asked to find the ratio in which they should be mixed so that you will get the mean price or mixture price. Now we'll take some examples. So you have a cheap one, let us say kerosene. Now assume kerosene costs only rupees 20 per liter and you have an expensive one, let us say diesel. Now assume diesel costs rupees 40 per liter. Now you need to get a solution that costs rupees 35 per liter. So in what ratio should you mix kerosene and diesel so that you will get a solution that costs 35 rupees per liter. Now such questions can be worked out with the help of the mixtures and allegations formula. So just substitute into this formula, you will get the ratio in which they should be mixed. So quantity of the cheap one is kerosene. So quantity of the cheap one, kerosene, to quantity of the expensive one, that is diesel. This ratio is given by this equation. Price of the expensive one. Price of the expensive one is 40 minus mean price. Mean price is 35 divided by mean price. 35 minus price of the cheap one is 20. So the required ratio is obtained as 40 minus 35, 5. 35 minus 20 is 15. 5 divides 3 times. So 5 is to 15 is same as 1 is to 3. So kerosene and diesel should be mixed in the ratio 1 is to 3. Then you will get a solution that costs 35 rupees per liter. So just substitute into this equation and you will get the ratio in which they should be mixed. So basically only two types of questions will be there. Either this mean price will be given and you have to find the ratio in which they should be mixed, or this ratio will be given and you will be asked to obtain the mean price. Either way, just substitute into this equation and you will get the required answer. Let me briefly explain how to prepare for your aptitude test. First of all, you need to familiarize yourself with all the questions that have been worked out here. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of the aptitude tests. After that, you need to attempt practice tests. According to me, you need to attempt at least 10 practice tests before your actual placement test. Here, I will be giving you 10 practice tests, and these practice tests will be ideal for you to improve your test scores. The 10 practice tests are available at a cost of only rupees 200. So all that you need to do is make a payment of rupees 200 either through Google Pay or through Phone Pay or through Paytm, and you will receive the 10 practice tests. The details of the payment comes next.